Alright, if you observe it, you can see the ABS and the brake light is showing. Okay, now if I turn this car on, it's still gonna be showing. This stuff is still gonna be blinking. Now, because of that, see, I'm mashing the brakes now. Okay, now I can't select gear. Okay, see, I can't select gear. The windows won't whine. A lot of things won't function on the car, you understand? So I'll have to leave it for a while. If I leave it like this for a while before the brake we are going to select. As you can see, I'm mashing the brake and I'm selecting at the same time. So I'm not mashing the brakes now, but now I'm mashing the brakes, I'm selecting, it's not selecting. Okay, I don't really know what the problem is, so I can't select. Okay, AC won't come on. A lot of things won't work. Double traffic will work, trafficators will work, lights will work. But okay, now it's coming up now. It has cleared up by itself. Then when it clears off, VSC and track off will start showing.